Hello everyone, this is my review of the Sweetarts Tangy Chewy Mini Candy. It has assorted fruity flavors. These are similar to the Fruit Fusions, but just smaller bites. I'll show you the size later. The one thing that I don't like about the packaging is this package, it's not resealable. Well, it's not that big of a problem. You just have to find some other way to keep them fresh and keep ants from getting in there. But this is how big they are. They're pretty tiny, so you could like pop a handful of them in your mouth and be chewing on them. It's a pretty good snack. I do go through these pretty quick since they're small, though. That's another thing about them. But they're still tasty and makes a good candy to chew on. So I hope this review helps.